everyone, it's Rachel from RachandBellaCrafts, back with another quick video just to give you a flip through of two journals today. This one has recently been listed in our Etsy store, but I thought we'd do a flip through today just to have a little look at it and show you what Bella's been up to. So this is Bella's latest journal, so it's her first of the year this year. I haven't actually looked inside it yet, so I can't wait, because when I'm looking through Mum's journals, it's like a surprise on every page. The kit that she's used is called Among the Wildflowers, from My Porch Prints. It is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, if you wanted to have a little look at that, I'm sure that's you can find that on our Etsy page. Okay, so just a quick look at the back, which Mum's collaged using some of the pages from the kit, and also Angela Kerr's doily kit as well. I can see she's used here, and she's made these lovely labels recently as well, where she's printed onto some fabric, but yeah, made by Bella. Okay, let's have a little look inside. Wow, right, okay, so much to look at. It's beautiful. So you can see she's done a lace trim on the edge of the page, fabric label there at the bottom. She's used a sticker here from the book that I recently bought her. It was called the Botanical Sticker Book, I think. You're bound to have seen it. Everybody's talking about it on the Facebook page. That's where I'd seen it first. So yeah, if you get a chance to have a look at that, it is fabulous. Labels used here. Let's have a little look at her journaling card. So she's added these stunning die cut, floral die cuts, or botanical die cuts on here, along with a lace edging and a lace tab, and obviously lots of space end of journal on there. And she's used a page here from the kit to back the inside of the journal. It is all nice and solid, so you know, it's a nice sturdy book there. It's not going to flop about or anything, and nice to write in. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. Ooh, lovely. So another sticker there from the Botanical book, and first page here of the kit. Nice laced trim page. It's beautiful. Oh gosh, lots going on here. Okay, so let's have a quick look in here first. So she's done a pocket here for all the ephemera. Let's pull this out and see what we've got. Let's have a look at the pocket first, because that's just fab. I love that. And has all the best ideas. Okay, so she's put an envelope there onto a journaling card, which, yes, she's backed, so you can journal on that. And there's a pocket in the front, and then there's a pocket in there. So these are from the kit. She's got a lovely little journaling card there. Oh, these are great. I like these little places there to write some little notes. And another one here. That's a lovely effect. Again, lots of journaling space. Sorry, frog in my mouth. Oh, these are fab. Mum's collaged these on here. So, and again, they're little envelopes. So you can pop little things in there. Whatever you might like to keep in your journal, be it receipts or little tickets. But they're lovely. Okay, so that's the journaling card. And then there's a tag at the bottom here, and two more little bits of ephemera to pop little notes onto the back of. Or if you're just the kind of journaler like I am, where I just love opening these journals and just taking stuff out and popping it back in and just looking at it and smoothing it, because I couldn't write in one of my journals, or anyone else's. My handwriting's too untidy. I'd be afraid to spoil it. But yeah, no, this is fab. There's another sticker there from the Botanical book. And a book page that Mum's taken out of our collection of vintage book pages. This is from the kit. Fab to have some journaling space for those that do like to write in their journals. And move on to more ephemera. This kit has absolutely loads of ephemera. It's a fabulous kit. So many elements. Again, nice to have these lovely little fold-up tags so that you can write inside. And there's another one there. So that's the back. That's lovely. And again, lots more journaling space. And then a beautiful, beautiful envelope that you can either stick down or open up and write on the inside of and pop things in there. So that's lovely. Okay, what else have we got in here? Some more ephemera. Oh, that's lovely. A little postcard there with some botanical images on. Fab. More botanical die cuts and a bit of lace trim. I love this page. This is fab. Really pretty. Okay, so we've got some trim on the end of that one, again for journaling. One of Mum's labels there that she's done on with her linen. Oh, and oh gosh, I didn't see that then. That's beautiful, that is. Die cut butterfly up there with, and she's stuck on these lovely little pearl embellishments. They're just fab. I don't know what she's edged the top of that with. That is lovely. So she's edged that then with some lace edging. It's so delicate, you almost miss that then. And then in here we've got a pocket with an envelope with another die cut butterfly. Oh, that's just stunning. That's beautiful, that is. Look at that. Fabulous. Lovely. Right, let me just slide that back in there now with my shaky hands. Okay, here we go. Pop that back in there. Lovely. And there's more. Okay. Secret place. There's lots of secret places in this journal. This is definitely a journaler's journal because there are so many lovely little writing spots and tuck spots and just places to put thoughts and hide them away. Lovely bit of lace edge in there on another one of the book pages. Another page from the kit. Oh, I love this. This is just lovely. It's so soft. That's very scrummy. Okay, another page to journal on, and another botanical page from the kit. That's really pretty. Got a bit of lace edging on this one here, and another botanical sticker. Okay, we got here. So we've got some more elements now in here. Nice journaling card. That's great. Press that way up. To bring a bit of different colours in, and then 2 more tags to journal on there, and a postcard. Some more of the doily kit. These are lovely and lots of space if you wanted to journal around the edge. And then it's our centre page. Again, another page to do some journaling on. Lace trimming. That's lovely. Really pretty book. Okay, oh, Mum's done her stitched edging on this one. That's a collage tag. I don't know if you can see that, it's lovely. Here we've got another little dirty envelope. That is so cute. The attention to detail with this kit. Like I say, I hadn't seen this printed out because Mum had done the journal, and obviously I haven't seen it for a while, so she'd sent this over for me to do a flip through, but I just can't get over how stunning this kit is. It's really lovely. Here we go. Just done a bit of layering there, linen and some collaging, some little labels. And we've got another journal card here then. It's been collaged on. And a postcard with lots of lace trimmings again as well. And a butterfly sticker. Gosh, more ephemera, this is fabulous. Right, oh, and we've got some more of these lovely little folded tags that I love. Oh, there we go. That's lovely, little envelope. And in here, oh, a trifold. Fab. When I first, Mum first got me into journaling, I can remember the first kits I printed off and seeing one of these, and I emailed Mum. I was like, Mum, I don't understand why I'm supposed to do this. I'm meant to cut them. And she was like, no, love, you just fold them in. But I just think they're fab, especially if you like journaling. And again, you just want to pop your thoughts away discreetly in there, and you wouldn't know that was there, would you? So that's just lovely. And a nice dry pocket there as well. Sorry, my voice has gone all froggy. Okay, bits of lace trimming on there as well. It's a text spot. Another nice journaling page. Feel a flip come in here. Oh my goodness, I wasn't expecting that at all. Right, okay, so we've got some lovely bits of ephemera in here. Another envelope to flap down and you can write in there. And then a lovely pocket there hidden behind the flip or the flap. And then again another journaling page there. There we go, fabulous. And then on to the final page, and she's finished off with another doilies from the doily kit, and then a pocket in the back. And I don't know if you can see the stitching on this. Mum's new sewing machine does the most amazing stitch patterns. I'm not sure if you can see the detail on there, but that's just lovely. And then again in here we've got a couple more spots for journaling in. So yeah, wow, what a lovely journal. Yeah, one signature, one very full signature I think I'd say, and a nice little tie on the end. Okay, so that's the Botanical Journal. Right, on to the next one, something completely different. Mum has been trying lots of different media this year. She did loads of journaling last year and was really quite keen at the start of this year to just try some different things. So I don't know if you can see up here in the top of the screen, these are some of the little books that she made last week. I'll have to find the video that she was showing me this technique to make your own leather effect covers. It was fab, and she came out with these 3 stunning little artist books, and she's filled them. I'll show this one here because this one's up. I don't want to undo a bow, but she's filled them with handmade paper. And if you are into watercolors or sketching, or if you are at some point in the future going to go away for a weekend and you wanted to take a little book with you to do some sketching and drawing, these are ideal for that. So that's one of the different styles of things that she's been doing. She's also been doing a lot with slow stitching. I don't know if any of you've been following the and challenge, the 52 tags. We've been putting Mum's up on Instagram, so she's really enjoying that. But this is something slightly different that she's done here. I love this. This is my favourite make of mine anyway of this year. But it's basically a larger version of what these are here. So the front cover, I don't know if you can see that, she's layered there with different types of paper, some handmade paper, parchment, and then some fabric, and she's done some slow stitching as well on the front, if you can see that as well, and a fabric binding. And I'll give you a quick flip through the inside. So she backed that with a no receipt, and then on the front page she's added some slow stitching in there. And I think she said she gesso these, but yeah, this is just lovely. This is a really lovely example of mixed media pocket-sized journal. Handmade paper here, and again some more lovely stitch in there. Wow, I don't know if you can see that detail in there. It's just stunning. Handmade paper, again the canvas that she's stiffened over there. Got some botanical pages in here as well. That's a lovely little bit of detail there on that handmade paper. And then there's a third little signature then. With some lovely fabric, I don't know if you can see the embroidery on the fabric there. So there we go, little mixed media art book. And again, nice travel size, so if you were going away or just off for a walk, as most of us are now out doing, enjoying our local areas. And we're coming into spring, so it's a nice time if you are into sketching or something. These are handy sort of things then that you can pop in your bag or your coat pocket. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll be back with you very soon. Have a good day all. Take care. Bye now.